Good morning, everyone. Okay, today I will be presenting my supply chain management analysis on Texlora Manufacturing and Ecoware Kitchen Solutions. Okay, this presentations will analyze how both company manage their supply chains operations, okay, including of raw materials, productions process, and inventory control and distributions strategies. Okay, I will also highlight the key strategies, challenges, and possible improve to enhance the efficiency and competitiveness in their supply chains performance. Okay, this presentations, okay, I will introduce the concept of supply chain management, okay, which supply chain managements ensure the smooth flow of raw materials and informations and product from supplier to customers. Okay, a strong supply chains help the company reduce costs, improve the product quality, and increase the customer satisfactions. Okay, in the analysis, okay, I will focus on two companies, which is one is Explora Manufacturing and the second is Ecoware Kitchen Solutions. Okay, we will evaluate their supply chains practice, key problem, and possible improve strategy. Okay, this is the overview of the company for Texlora. Okay, Texlora Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is a company that produce premium cotton clothing for both local and export. Okay, the company source is a main on materials such as yarn. Yarn means benang. Okay, dye and packaging from different supplier. Okay, however, Texlora is currently facing some challenges in sourcing and productions planning, okay, which can affect delivery time, costing, and overall efficiency of the company. Okay, this supply chain issue will be analyzed further in the coming slide. Okay, this is about Texora key problems, which is Texora is facing several key supply chain problems. Okay, the first is about company are facing mainly on low costing sourcing, okay, which may affect quality and reliability. Okay, there's also no suppliers vendor rating systems, okay, in place, okay, which making the company highly dependent on limited suppliers. Okay, besides that, okay, forecasting is done by manually, okay, which there is no ERP or MRP system in place, okay, which cause Texora experiencing a production delay and material shortage and so on. Okay, this is about impact on Texora. Okay, due to this supply chains issue we see a moment ago, Texora overall performance is affected, okay, whereby the company experiencing inconsistent material quality, which can impact product standard. Okay, there are also late delivery caused by poor planning and supplier dependency. Okay, in additional, okay, the company facing both overstock and stock shortage due to inaccurate forecasting. Okay, besides that, poor coordinations between department further reduce efficiency and leading to higher operational costs for the company. Okay, the recommendations for Texlora to improve its supply chain's performance, Texlora should adopt more strategy sourcing approach instead of focusing only on low costing. Okay, the company should implement on supplier scorecard and certifications program to evaluate and monitor the supplier performance. Okay, and then multiple sourcing strategy is also an important to reduce dependency on one suppliers. Okay, besides that, implement ERP and MRP systems along with a proper demand forecasting tools, okay, which also help improve the planning accuracy and reduce the delay and shortages. Okay, now we are seeing the overview company for Ecoware. Ecoware kitchen solutions are produce eco-friendly kitchen things, okay, which the company is growing because more customers prefer sustainable and environmentally friendly product. Okay, however, even though the demand is increasing, Ecoware is currently facing purchasing and process problems. Okay, these issues may affect productions and overall performance, okay, which I will explain this problem in the upcoming slide. Okay, this is the key problem facing by Ecoware. Okay, Ecoware is facing several key problems in its supply chains. Okay, the first is the purchasing process is done by manually. Okay, and most documents are paper based. Okay, this can actually cause delay and error. Okay, the company also doesn't have a proper inventory system. Okay, which can lead to overstock and stock out. Besides that, weak supplier relationship and insufficient productions process reduce overall efficiency and performance. Okay, we are seeing the impact on Ecoware. Okay, because of these problems, Ecoware operational are affected. Okay, because the company facing high storage costs due to overstock. At the same time, okay, there are frequent stock shortages because there is no proper inventory control system. Okay, there is also a material waste and longer production time. Okay, which reduce overall productivity. Okay, as a result, the company efficiency and performance are negatively impacted. Okay, now we are seeing the recommendations for Ecoware issues. Okay, to improve its supply chains, Ecoware should first implement an automated purchasing system to reduce the manual work and error. Okay, and then the company is also can use the EOQ model and set a proper safety stock level to control the inventory better. Okay, besides that, applying just in time, okay, practices and other process improved tools can reduce waste and production times. Okay, finally, a digital inventory system will help improve the accuracy and overall efficiency. Okay, now we will see on how to improve the process. Okay, the first is lean. Lean manufacturing help to reduce waste and improve the efficiency. Okay, Sigma focus on reduce defect and improve the product quality. Okay, and then the another is process mapping. Process mapping help identify the bottleneck and the problem area in the workflow. Okay, the last is a Kaizens, okay, which encourage continuous improvement through a small and consistent changes over the time. Okay, okay, we are in the slide key takeaway. Okay, in conclusions, there are several important lessons from this analysis. Okay, the first, focus only on low costing can be risky for a company. Second, a strong supplier relationship are very important for stable corporations. A good forecasting help improve planning and reduce shortages. Okay, and then using technologies like ERP and MRP system can increase the efficiency. Finally, continuous improvement is important for long-term success and competitiveness. Okay, now we are in the last slide, so-called conclusions. Okay, in conclusion, strong supply chain management help the company become more competitive. Okay, Textora need better strategy, sourcing, and proper planning tools to improve the performance. Okay, Ecoware need a system automations and process improve to increase the efficiency. Okay, overall, a well-structured supply chain system is important to ensure a long-term sustainability and business success.